Say hi. We're gonna go running. Say hi. Shululu, before we run, stay there. Before we run, we have to warm up. Okay. Let's go warm up. Stretch. Lead the legs. Right? Stretch, stretch. Squat. Say, hi guys, we're gonna go running. See you later. So, maganda yung araw ngayon, pero medyo mahangin siya guys. At wala akong jacket. Ayan. Si Lulu nagmamadali na. Ayan, magra-running kami guys. Okay? So, come run with us. Okay, Lulu, are you ready? Let's go! Look at Lulu. Uphill to guys. See you later. Grabe guys. Hindi biro magpapayat. Konting uphill pa lang yun guys. Ayan. Hiningal na kami. Dinamay ko pa si Lulu. Grabe. Wala talaga yung katawan ko. Wala sa kondisyon yung katawan ko. Grabe hingal ko guys. Pero, yes guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang aking weight loss journey. Okay ba guys? Meron bang resulta? Yan. Dahil sa aking specialty at ang aking fasting at ang aking fiber. Yan ang nakakatulong sa aking weight loss journey. So guys, effort din ha. Hindi magic tea yun. So, teka nga. Lulu, say hi. Lulu, say hi to the viewers. Gusto pa mag-run ni Lulu guys. Okay, let's run. See, bilis ni Lulu oh. Okay, go Lulu. Si Lulu yung motivation ko guys. So yan guys. Walk ulit. Tapos mamaya run again. Okay Lulu, run. Come on, run. Good girl. Papagurin ko si Lulu. Yan pala. Ako yung pinapagod ko. Pinapagod ko sa sarili ko. Lulu. Guys, hinihingal na si Lulu oh. Labas na yung dila. Lulu, are you tired? Lulu. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ano pa ba Lulu? Tada! O, diba? Overlooking. Yan. Good. So guys, I'm gonna borrow this book. Thank you. So ayan guys, meron ditong free book. Ayan. We're tired now? Okay, let's sit. I'm just gonna sit. So yan guys, we're going back home. Pagod na si Lulu. Lulu, are you tired? Uwing-uwi na siya, guys. Ayan, ang sarap guys mag-jogging, running, walking, lahat na. At nakakuha pa ako ng libro. Yan, community library yun. So, ayan guys. So, next time, go run with me, okay? At tayo'y sabay-sabay na magpapayat. So, always like, share, and subscribe. Pinay Eats. Bye!